Hey, this is Pierre Delacote working at Planet Technologies. Do you know tags in Teams? It's not the same that in Twitter. So tags is, you can compare that to some sort of DL in Outlook. So it's a group of people that you can notify within a team. So how do you create a tab? So you going to manage tags in your team. Then you can create a tag, or you already have a tag. If there's already a tag, here, for example, I just created a tag OCM fans, and I can, open the tag, edit the tag, and add me or a bunch of people. Then when I do that, what can I do with a tag? So I'm not gonna do it all the way, but just to show you, when you start a new conversation, you can at mention the tag. So OCM fans, if the two correct. Okay, OCM fans is here. And then only people who are part of this tag will receive a notification. So it's a good way to target a few people that are member of the team, depending on their interest. So you just have to tell people to go into the manage tags and add themselves by clicking on the tag and editing the tag and adding their name, or ask the owner to do that. It will be good to have some way to automate that. I looked for Power Automate would could say add me to a tag, but it doesn't exist. Hopefully somebody will create it if it's possible. I'm not sure. Also, what you can do, you can with chat with people who are in the tag. So that will open the chat window with all the people in the tag. So that can be also useful if you don't want to um, pollute your team with a message targeted to the tag. So I hope it was helpful.